Hello student, welcome to Samashakti Vidyaniketan English Medium School Maldar online classes. Myself Jyoti Varpe. Student, in previous lecture we have seen detailed information about collective noun and abstract noun. Today we will see detailed information about material noun. So first see the definition of material noun. Material noun. A material noun is the name of a material and a substance out of which things are made. Material noun is the name of a material. For example, gold, cotton, iron, plastic, oil, water, silver, cement, gas, wood, air, glass, etc. Gold, water, oil, cement, plastic, glass, these all are an example of material noun. Now, see the more information of material noun. First point, made by nature. Made by nature. These all things, gold, water, iron, plastic, water, silver, cement, these all things are made by nature. It is not a man-made things or it is not an artificial thing. These all things made by nature. Second number, material noun is uncountable noun. Material noun is the uncountable noun. We not say 1 water, 2 water, 3 water, 100 water. We not say 1 oil, 2 oil, 10 oil, 15 oil. We not say like this. But we say you can measure that things. We say 1 glass of water, 2 glass of water, a cup of tea, 2 cup of tea, 1 liter oil, 2 liter oil, 3 liter oil. We can measure that things, but we cannot count that things. Third number, before material noun cannot use and articles. Before material noun we cannot use and article. Sometimes we use the article. We can't use and article. We not say a water, a cement, a gas, a glass. We not say like this. Sometimes we use the article. Fourth number, cannot make plural form from the material noun. We cannot make plural form. We cannot make plural form from the material noun. Means these all are material noun. We not write here s. Yes. We not say golds. We not say cottons, irons, plastic, oils. We not say like this. Means after the material noun, we cannot write s, yes, and we not make plural form from the material noun. So student, we will see more example of material noun. First number, the dress is made of cotton. In this sentence, cotton is a material noun and dress is a common noun. Cotton is a material noun and dress is a common noun. Second number sentence, the bottle is made of plastic. The bottle is made of plastic. In this sentence, plastic is a material noun and bottle is a common noun. The table is made sentence. The vase is made of glass. The vase is made of glass. In that sentence, glass is a material now.